Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Firewall service did not start, then please watch this video. Now, what could be the reason behind it? First of all, it could be a virus preventing the Windows Firewall service, and other than that, it could be a third-party security software which is known to suppress the Windows Defender firewall. Then it could also be broken files in the system. So, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows Defender Firewall service. Okay, and then right click on it and then select start or restart if you have the option, but usually you won't. So the next one would be to uninstall any third-party security software from your system. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then you'll have to find any third-party security software, and then click on the CDOS associated with it and uninstall it. After this, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be to run an antivirus scan. Okay, so search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to virus and threat protection. Click on this one, quick scan or scan options, and then scroll down full scan and then click on scan now, and this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.